Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a blender, heavy duty blender, which is about capacity 2000 grams. In this jar is about 250 grams. There is one here, we can see there is a one this protruded part which slides here. From this section it slides and then it goes back. This one is a only coupler. It also has a coupler, and below this I show you is off switch, low speed, medium and high, and this is only just running. If you push it, it runs. If it is stops for any reason, there is one safety switch which is only for overload or stops. If the machine stops due to any reason, due to heavy load or some stoppage of the part in blending, this will come out and then you have to press it again. These are rubber feet. And then now let me show you, this cup has a rubber gasket which will fit, and then you have, these are the locks. Let me show you how it goes. You just see, first I am just trying to put it. This one goes in. You see this, it is both the sides on the left and right. This one slides and then it fits. You have to fit it, then put the sample which is to blend, and this can be used for liquid, semi-solid, or this one third one is again here. You have to press it. See that this is all is completely locked, and then you can do what you can do is blending this small. I show you now low, medium, high. Only one precaution is, if you have to run it, any water, liquid or mixing, you have to run it for say about 5 minutes, then rest for 1 or 2 minutes. Similarly, there is one grinder also. This is for solid, for making powder, but it should not be stones. This is not for stones. Here also it is the similar system. You just see on the both the sides. This has a same system. Move it and then lock it. This also has a gasket. Press it and always keep a hand. Then you push it. It works well. There is this one is there, and on the top there is one. This also has a hole inside so that the liquid air, if it is blending or mixing, something can come out. Please visit the website. This has a capacity of 2000 grams. The jar is 2.5 liter capacity, and then this jar is about 100 grams. This can be blended by semi-solids or liquids, or not for dry material. This is for dry material. Visit the website abron01@gmail.com. Website is there, and then these are the WhatsApp number 9416020018. Please subscribe to our channel and buy from us. We have the other capacity, smaller capacity, 500 ml, 1000 ml, 2000, and bigger one also 5 liter also capacity with us. Thank you.